In this video, I'm going to be trading on the Closeoption platform, utilizing the TradingView technical indicators. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Closeoption platform. It's a binary options platform here. This is the dashboard. Well, this is the interface. Let's go to the dashboard here of the platform. This is the trading dashboard here. I have a couple of dollars in the account currently, but we're going to be trading on the demo platform here. Pocket Option has three different platforms available. They have a demo trading account, they have a real trading account, and down here is the contest account. They have weekly contests, first prize 350, second 250, third 150. They've been doing this for more than 8 years. They've been having contests for more than 8 years. They've had a total of 420 weekly contests, over $1 million paid out. Okay, but we're going to be focusing on the demo platform for now. So let's load up the demo platform. Okay, now this is the user interface of the demo trading platform here. And we have we're currently looking at the Euro USD here. Closeoption has various assets available to trade. They have the regular currency pairs like Great British Pound, Swiss franc, but they also have crypto. They have Litecoin here. They have Bitcoin Cash, and they have Bitcoin and Ethereum as well to trade. We're going to be focusing on Euro USD because it has the highest payout rate here at 73% rate of return. So the platform here, what you're looking at are the candles here. They're 5-second candles. You can have 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, those are the 10-second candles, 30-second candles, and 1-minute candles here, like so. But we're just gonna go with the 5-second candles. Doesn't really matter. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be taking 1-minute trades here. And being that it's a demo, we're going to be testing out a new strategy that I've developed here. So what we're going to do is we're going to trade. I currently have 114,000 in the demo balance. When you open an account with Closeoption, I believe the demo, you start out with a $100,000 demo balance. It might be 10,000. But anyway, my demo balance is at 114,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade about just 1% of that balance, or about $1,000. Okay, just to test this trading strategy. Now, the trading strategy that I'm going to be utilizing here, let's go to the TradingView platform here. Okay, now this is TradingView.com. Many traders trade on this platform. So what I'm going to do, what you do is you go to the search bar, and we're going to look for the euro. You would type euro, US dollar, and we look for the currency pair. Hold on here, the euro. Okay, there we go, euro USD here. So once the euro USD comes up here, we go to the see overview. Okay, so we click on see overview, and this loads up these technical indicators here. Oh, wait a minute. First we go, okay, once you do the Euro USD, then you click on technicals here. All right, for the Euro USD. So what we have here is a technical indicator here. Currently it's giving us a strong sell on the 1 day chart here. If you go to the various time frames here, the 4 hours showing strong sell, 1 hour just showing sell. Okay, but we're going to be focusing on the 1 minute. Okay, so currently it's saying buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, okay, we're on the Euro USD, so I'm going to go ahead and take a buy trade or a call trade here, a 1 minute call trade. And if we click on orders here to the left, we see the trade log and the timer countdown on the 1 minute trade here. So here we go. The trade was taken here, a buy trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of 60 seconds. Okay, so if you notice here to the left, the trade was a winner. It was in the money. So it generated a $730 profit on that trade. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to the technical analysis indicator here for the Euro USD. And if we look here, let me just, okay, we're going to recalibrate the indicator here. So how I do that is I just click on 5 minute. Okay, it's saying sell on 5 minute but for 1 minute, okay, it's still saying buy. So let's go ahead and take another buy trade here. Now, if this trade loses, the strategy utilizes a concept called martingale. So if this $1,000 trade loses here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double up on the trade at 2,000. And for that reason, uh, okay, let's wait here. All right, so this trade looks like it's going to lose here. It just took a sharp bearish dive. All right, so okay, so that trade lost right here. If you look on the left, that was a loss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double up on the trade. And the reason why I'm doubling up on the trade is to help recover the loss of the previous trade and gain some additional profit. So what we do, we go back to the technical analysis indicator here on the TradingView chart. All right, it's saying on the 5 minute saying sell, and on the 1 minute it's still saying buy. So let's go ahead and take another buy trade here for 2,000. All right. So now if this trade loses, I'm going to have to double up again on the trade to 4,000. That's to recover the previous two losses and gain some additional profit on this trade. So that's the martingale strategy. Now, if the trade wins, we're going to go back to $1,000 and continue trading. So let's monitor this trade. Currently, it's in our favor here. It's pushing upwards. This is the entry price right here. Okay. Wow, it shot back up here. Okay, so that trade actually won. In the last few seconds, it shot back upward, hitting above the entry price here. All right, so what I'm going to do is, since we recovered the loss of the previous trade, we go back to $1,000 here. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the technical analysis tool here and let's recalibrate. Okay, on the 5 minute, okay, it's saying neutral. Now on the 1 minute, it's still telling us to buy. So let's go ahead and take another buy trade here. Now, if this trade loses, similar to the previous trade, we're going to double up and try to recover the loss of this trade if it winds up out of the money. Okay, that trade was a loss. Okay, so that trade resulted in a loss. So what we're going to do again, I'm going to double up on the trade to 2,000 using martingale. Let's go back to the technical indicator here on TradingView. What is it saying on the 5? It's still saying sell, but on the 1 minute chart, okay. Okay, now the 1 minute is saying sell now, okay? So now we're going to go and take a put trade or a sell trade. All right? It just changed. The technical indicator just changed to sell on the 1 minute and sell on the 5. Both the 5 and the 1 minute is telling us to sell. So let's go back to the platform here. Now I doubled up on the trade. Now if that trade loses, we're going to have to go back and double up to 4,000 if we lose this trade. It's a risky strategy, but there are people, this is how they trade. They don't blindly trade this strategy. We're using a technical indicator here on TradingView. So we have about 10 seconds. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. So we were able to recover the loss of that previous trade. So now let's go back to the $1,000, right? And continue. So we go back to the technical indicator here. Let's look at the 5 minute and the 1 minute is telling us both sell. So let's go and put in a sell trade again. Let's put in a put trade. Let's go back for a quick second. Let's still, all right, sell on the, okay, now on the 5 minute it's saying strong sell. On the 1 minute it's saying sell. And actually the price is pushing downward, it looks like here. This is the entry point right here. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. So I'm going to end the trading session here. I just wanted to show you a quick trading strategy that you can use on the Closeoption platform. If you're interested in testing out this strategy yourself, I'll have a link to the trading platform in the video comments or the video description or the channel bio. Uh, if you're planning to risk real money, you're probably going to need about $100 in your account to start. That's because if you do incur losing trades, you're going to have to double up on the amount of the trades. So that's basically it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning more trading strategies on Closeoption and other trading platforms that I trade on. And if you're using real money, don't risk more than 1 to 5% of your capital per trade, because with binary options, in order to grow your account, you need to have at least a 70% win rate, because how binary options work is that if you lose the trade, you lose the whole amount. But if you win, you only win a certain percentage. In this case, with the euro US dollar, 73%. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Gus Schmidt.